Namaste everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. I am Durgesh. So in this video here you can see this is our music system. So in this music system problem is like this is ordinary music system. So I want to make it Bluetooth music system. Okay. So we are taking output from the TV and we are using this home theater. So now I want to make this Bluetooth connectivity system. So within 200 rupees we can make it Bluetooth music system. Not only this Sony, we if any music system, ordinary music system is there means you can make it Bluetooth music system. Okay, using this small module. This is Bluetooth receiver. So we will install this in our music system. Let's see is it working or not working. So last time I ordered one Bluetooth pendrive kind of thing. So I tried in this, but it is not working for Sony models. So if it is ordinary or something, it will going to work. So I tried that one, that is not working. So I returned that one. So I bought this module. So this is going to fit inside the board of this Sony home theater. So let's try. Watch till the end. So this is the back side of our Sony home theater. See the model number of this home theater SA D10. So let's open this back cover. So after removing all the screws, you have to lift it up, but very careful. Inside this strip is there. If it is broken, then it is very difficult to fix it. So this is our board. This is the board. So what I am going to do, this TV section is there now. Here you can see it clearly. This TV section. This TV section I am going to connect Bluetooth module. So see, this is our Bluetooth module. So I already connected 5 wires. You can see, to save time I already connected. So you can connect and solder it like this. So these two are ground and VCC. To get supply to turn on this module, Bluetooth receiver, you have to turn on. No, that's why we have to use these two wires. This first one is ground, then second one is VDD. The VDD is around 5 volt, 3.3 volt we can use, otherwise 5 volt. So then rest 3 are, middle one is ground, then right side out, then left side out, audio out. Okay, these 3 for sound, these 2 are for power, to get power for this module. So now I am going to connect this here. Let's see. Friends, first we need to find ground. Here 3 connectors are there. Here you can see 3 connectors are there for this. Now we have to find ground. So first one is ground, then second and third for right left. So now I am going to plug in adapter. So let's set it for voltage, DC voltage checking. Now we need to turn on first. Friends, here you can see 3.3 volt we are getting. This is ground and this is 3.3. So let's connect here. And plug. So now I am going to connect this module. So this is for power. So I will connect. This is ground. Ground is connected. Now VCC. VCC also connected. Now we have to connect audio. First heat up the pins. In this 3 pin, this first I will connect middle one ground to the first point. At the end I will show you by zooming image. I will show you how I connected all the wires. This I will connect here and this I will connect here. So connection is done. That's it. Friends, here you can see. Friends, here you can see how I connected. So this is our module. So this is our module. Let's check back side. Friends, here you can see ground, starting from bottom, ground, ECC, R out, ground, L out. Okay, first ground I connected here. This is ground for getting power to this module. Then second wire VCC. VCC I taken from here. I shown you 3.3 volt I taken from here. Okay. Then rest 3 R out, L out and ground. So first R out I connected to this point. Here you can see this pin, you can see. Then I connected R out here, L out here. Then this is first one is ground here. This is ground. Okay. R out, L out, ground. So that's it. So our connection is over. Friends, after connecting every point, you just in double tape, gum tape, you need to fix it. Okay. Here by side you can fit it anywhere. My wire length become more, so I will cut it later. Now for the time being I will show you the result. Okay, like this you need to by side in the by using double tape gum tape you can fix it inside. Okay, let's see the result now. This back cover I installed, so let's see the result now by connecting all the ports and all. This is for sound, 4 speakers, and this adapter. It is mobile and TV. Connected.
DJ.